In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get seller rating extensions on your ads using Google Ads. These extensions can really enhance your ad visibility and credibility by displaying user ratings right alongside your ad content. So let's dive in and get started. First, we want to begin by heading over to Google Ads. Simply open your web browser and go to the Google Ads homepage. The main goal here is to manage and enhance your advertising strategy to attract more customers and boost sales through Google's robust ad platform. Once you arrive at the Google Ads page, look for the Sign In button. It's typically located at the top right corner. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. Make sure you log into your Google Ads account where you manage your advertising campaigns. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads home interface. This is the central hub for controlling and analyzing your advertising efforts. From here, we're going to navigate to a critical part of our process, and the Tools section. This can be accessed by finding and clicking on the Tools option, usually represented by a wrench icon in the top menu bar. The Tools menu opens up a cornucopia of helpful features. We're going to hone in on Troubleshooting. This is the section where you can resolve most of the issues you might encounter while running ads on Google. Within the troubleshooting area, the section we need is called Ad Preview and Diagnosis. This tool is invaluable, allowing you to see how your ads are performing and troubleshoot any issues that might prevent them from showing. Now, the moment we've been building up to, we'll check the seller rating extensions. This is a key element that will display your collected customer ratings directly with your ads in search results. These ratings can significantly boost the credibility and attractiveness of your ads, drawing in more clicks from potential customers. At this point, ensure you have a minimum threshold of reviews to qualify for the seller ratings program, typically around 100 unique reviews in the last 12 months with an average rating of 3.5 stars or higher. It's important to maintain a good rating and continuously solicit and manage customer feedback to keep your seller ratings up to date. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to enable and check your seller rating extensions in Google Ads. With these ratings in place, your ads stand out more to potential customers and reinforce the quality of your product or service. Take a keen look at these details next time you craft your advertising strategy and watch as this boosts your business credibility and customer engagement. Thank you for joining me today, and happy advertising.